Looking for the ultimate Smoky Mountain getaway? Say hello to Outrageous Cabins, your home for the best Pigeon Forge cabins around. With over 50 Pigeon Forge cabins to pick from, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're craving epic mountain views, a quiet valley hideaway, or a front row seat to Dollywood's charm, we've got the perfect spot waiting. Bedrooms, take your pick. Cozy one-bed retreats or big family sleepers with lofts and private suites. Amenities. Oh, we've got you. Hot tubs, game rooms, outdoor grills, and those rustic fireplaces that scream cabin vibes. Every stay is a little different, but always with outrageous views. Smack in the heart of Pigeon Forge, you're minutes from Dollywood, hiking trails, and all the Smoky action. Our resort roads are paved and easy. Year-round access, no stress, just fun. Bring your crew, soak in the views, and make memories that stick. Ready to find your Pigeon Forge cabin? Head to outrageouscabins.com and snag one of our 50-plus cabins today. Outrageous Cabins, where your Smoky Mountain adventure starts.